Hey guys, Anthony here. This is an example of a Kinetic Text Animation video that I created in VideoRobot using a pre-made video template. At the end of this video, you will find a tutorial on how to create kinetic text videos in VideoRobot. Now here is the video.
Whether you need help with your personal taxes, small or large corporation taxes, or you just need a reliable professional CPA or accountant, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the top local CPA and accountant service, and we pride ourselves on being reliable, professional, and most importantly, meticulous when it comes to handling your finances. Feel free to call one of our friendly staff now to arrange a free, no-obligation consultation to discuss your personal or business accounting needs. We look forward to working with you.